So it seems like the haircut is the biggest issue now, especially when it comes to kids. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to cut your kid's hair like a pro in a few minutes. Hello Spider-Man.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Yes.
So what you need to do is basically just level it up all around. Okay. Like this. Very easy. And it depends what kind of haircut I want to give him. So obviously I'm not taking a risk because obviously if you guys practice it, I don't want you to cut the top bit. It's entirely up to you. You can do it later on, but you might mess it up. So I'm just going to do the sides and I'll show you how to match it with the top. Just fade it in. Okay. Okay, just turn him around a little bit. So basically I'm gonna go for all the way up to here, so the top bit right there. So cut it all the way up to here and I'll just blend it in. So I'll show you how to do it anyway. So that's it, this bit right there. Just do it very gently, obviously. Right, so this is the difficult bit here. So basically you need to get a comb and you can just line it up. So if you want to level up the top bit right there, so obviously it would look funny if you don't cut it at all. So you can still leave it long. So what you need to do, like this, however long you need to keep it. And then you need to basically, there you go. Okay, so carry on from that bit there. As you can see, as soon as you've done the first bit, you'll automatically see if you go the second one, some bits are longer. I don't know if you can see it. So you cut that bit there and then go for the next one like this. So you just match it up with the previous one. Okay. Alright, so this is kind of the final bit. So if you can spray it or just put some water in his, just make it a bit wet. So to be able to get it leveled and make this bit wet as for all the side, because we're going to shape it up now. Okay, so just level it up. Its best option is to do with the scissor. This is obviously isn't as good as the scissor. Yeah, there you go. And for this bit here, you just need to go nicely, just lift this bit here nicely up to here. There you go. I know it's a bit tickling. Up to here. And do it very gently. There you go, all done. So you got a nice haircut now. As you can see, it's all good. Not as good as obviously the barber, but especially in this tough situation, there's no one open, so I done the haircut by myself. So are you happy with the haircut, Mahir?
Yes.
If you like this video, guys, if it helped you a little bit, then obviously make sure to leave a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of these helpful videos. Thank you.